I just finished that Get Smart video and look. I don't know if it's police or what. It went right over. It's because I figured out the star. It's wish fulfillment as well. The star. That's an army one again by the looks. So do the flight radar app for, I don't know, what would it be? Cooper Street. No, it's not Cooper, it's a bit further over. It's going up Dalton Road. It's going to go on the M3 towards Greensborough. It's going to go to the army. That's where it's going, I bet. Remember I took a video and I was in Watsonia? Well, that's that direction. Gee, I'm getting good. Someone still needs to investigate what's inside the pylons, and something happens at that yellow thing up on there. So if you're into 5G, I've told 5G people, but they just don't. Everyone's busy, but all right. And we've got silver paper here. Oh, more rubbish. I love my car. I love my aerial. I think that's excellent. Every time I look out my window, I crack up. Filthy people. And that blue stuff in the mask, if you research it, it's got Teflon in it. And remember, Teflon is in, well, was, I don't know, I'm sure people still cook with it. See what they did to my windscreen, like to my window? They scratched it to the shit house. Stupid people. Teflon. So if you are a mask wearer or you have to, you don't have to. Just tell them you got an exemption and that's it. End of story. They can't ask for a copy of it. It's a privacy thing between you and your doctor. And if your doctor says anything, well then he's breaching his oath. So you're all fucked. And so are the people believing in this C-bug agenda. It's the C and the S. That's what it is. And the 6 and the 9. Alright. That was like a good job, Julie. Did you hear that? Whoa. I think that's called a Jacob's break. Is there someone in the Bible called Jacob? I'm sure there is. Alright.